Hello, this is the lecture number 1 for the chapter Permutation and Combination for the class 11th, and this is the lecture number 1 and we are starting it today. Now, the first topic in permutation and combination is fundamental principle of counting. Now, what is the fundamental principle of counting? Suppose one of the event is happening n times and another event is happening m times, then the number of ways they can happen together is m into n. That is, suppose one of the event is happening m times and another event is happening n times, then the number of ways they can happen together is m into n. For example, suppose there is a room in which there are 2 entrance gate and 3 exit gate. In how many ways a person can enter this room and go out? How many ways are there? Now, a person can enter from this room and go out from this. He can enter from this and go out from this. He can enter from this and go out from this gate. Similarly, he can enter from this and go out from this. He can enter this from the second gate and go out from this gate. He can enter from this and go out from this gate. So how many ways are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are total 6 ways. So how can we find it directly? Now, one of the event is this happening is 3 times. This event is happening three times. So the number of ways they can happen together, that is, we can multiply it. This is the fundamental principle of counting. That is, the one of the event which is entering the room is happening 2 times and the number of ways that the second event is going out from the exit gate is 3 times. So the number of ways a person can enter and go out from this room is 2 into 3, that is 6 ways. So this is the fundamental principle in counting, which is the basics for the first exercise of your NCERT book. Now, you can open your book and question number 1, the exercise 7.1. Now, what you have to do in this question number 1, you have to form a 3-digit number in which and you have to use the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many 3-digit number you can form when the repetition of the digit is allowed in the first part. In the second part of this question, you have to find the number 3-digit number you can form by using these 5 digits in which the repetition of the digit is not allowed. So see it. Now in the question number 1, you have to make a 3-digit number in which you can use only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. How many 3 digits number you can make by using these 5 digits when the repetition of the digit is allowed? Now students, we have 3 places where we can put any one of these 5 digits. So the number of ways we can fill one of the place is 5. Any one of the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means there are 5 options to fill up the first place. Now, because the repetition of the digit is allowed, so the number of ways you can fill the second place is also 5 because the repetition of the digit is allowed. That is, you can use any one of the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the second place. And similarly, the number of ways you can fill the third place is also 5 because the repetition of the digit is allowed. So how you have to write? Number of ways, how you have to write? To fill first place is how much? It is 5. Number of ways to fill the second place is also 5. You can write it here. The repetition of the digit is allowed. Number of ways to fill up the third place is also 5 because the repetition of the digit is allowed. So therefore 3 digits numbers are by fundamental principle of counting is 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. So this is the question number 1, first part, where you have to make 3-digit numbers in which you have to use only the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the repetition of the digit is allowed, and you have to write like this, and the end you have to write by fundamental principle of counting. The 3-digit numbers are 5 into 5 into 5. In the second part of this question, you have to form a 3-digit number using these digits when the repetition of the digit is not allowed. Now again you have to mark a 3-digit number, and you can use only these 5 digits, and now the repetition of digit is not allowed. So same as it, the number of ways you can fill the first place is 5, because you can use any one of the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now at the second place, listen carefully, because you have used one of the digit out of these 5 at the first place, so we have only 4 digits are remaining which can be filled at the second place, because the repetition of the digit is not allowed. So therefore the number of ways to fill up the second place is 4. Similarly, the number of ways we can fill the third place is remaining 3 digits out of these 5, because 2 of the digits has already been used in the first and second place, and the repetition is not allowed. So the number of ways we can fill the third place is 3. So the total 3-digit number using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 when the repetition of the digit is not allowed is 60 by fundamental principle of counting. So how you have to write it? I have done it directly, but how you have to write it? The number of ways to fill the first place is 5. Number of ways to fill up the second place is 4. You can write in here ki repetition not allowed. Repetition not allowed. That is why. The number of ways to fill up the third place is 3, because the repetition of the digit is not allowed. Like this. So therefore 3-digit number when repetition not allowed by fundamental principle of counting is 5 into 4 into 3 is equal to 60. Like this you have to write when the repetition of the digit is not allowed. This is the question number 1 of your NCERT book. Now after that, in question number 2, you read from your NCERT book what is given. You have to make again a 3-digit number using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you have to, how many even numbers you can make. So again you have to make a 3-digit number using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and even numbers you have to make. How many even numbers you can make, and the repetition of the digit is allowed. The repetition of the digit is allowed. Now because you have to make an even number, so first of all you have to fill up the unit place, and at the unit place you can use only 2, 4 and 6, because the number will be even when we have only 2, 4, 6 at the unit place. So the number of ways to fill the unit place is equal to 3. You can write, you can use 2, 4 or 6. Now because the repetition of the digit is allowed, so therefore number of ways to fill up the 100th place, this place is 6. Any one out of these 6 is equal to 6, because the repetition of the digit is allowed. Now number of ways to fill up the, this is the 10th place. The number of ways to fill up the 100th place is again 6, because the repetition of the digit is allowed. You can use any one of this digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the 100th place. So the number of ways to fill up the unit place is 3. You can use any one of the digit 2, 4, 6. 3 options are there. At the unit place, 110 place we have 6 options, and the 100 place we have 6 options, because the repetition is allowed. So therefore 3 digits even numbers are 3 into 6 into 6, that is 36 into 3, that is 108. So you can make 108 even numbers using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 even numbers, and the repetition of the digit is allowed. So this is the question number 2. Now read the question number Now in the second part of it, second part is also there, in which you have to find a 3-digit even number when the repetition is not allowed. The repetition is not allowed. So again, the number of ways we can fill up the unit place is 3, because you can use 2, 4 or 6, any one of them. Now, because the repetition of digit is not allowed, and out of 6, 1 has been used at the unit place. Out of 3, 1 has been used. So the number of ways we can fill the unit 10 place is 5, and the number of ways we can fill up the 100 place will be 4, because the repetition of the digit is not allowed. So the number of ways, again you have to fill up the first of all the unit place. Number of ways to fill unit place is equal to 3, any one of 2, 4 and 6. Any one of 2 and 4, 6. Number of ways to fill up the 10th place is equal to, out of 6 we have used 1 and the repetition is not allowed, so therefore it will be 5, not 6. यहाँ लिख सकते हैं आप repetition not allowed. Repetition not allowed. So the number of ways to fill up the 100th place will be equal to 4, because the repetition of the digit is not allowed. Out of 6 we have used 1 at the unit place, 1 at the 10 place. So remaining, out of remaining 4 we have to use any one. So there are 4 options to fill up the 100th place. So therefore 3 digits even numbers when repetition not allowed is equal to 3 into 5 into 4, that is 60. Repetition not allowed. So this is the question number 2, and its second part you have to do when the repetition is not allowed, if it has been asked. Now in question number 3, we have you have to use 10 letters of English alphabets, and you have to make a 4-letter code when the repetition of that alphabet is not allowed. So again, it is a very simple question. Question number 3, you have to make a 4-letter code, and you can use 10 letters of English alphabets, and repetition of the using the alphabets is not allowed. So as usual, the number of ways we can fill the first place is 10, the second place is 9, the third place is 8, the fourth place is 7, because the repetition is not allowed. So how you have to write? Number of ways to fill the first place is 10. Number of ways to fill up the second place is 9. You can write the repetition is not allowed. The number of ways to fill up the third place is 8. Again, you can write repetition is not allowed. Number of ways to fill up the fourth place is 7, because the repetition is not allowed. So therefore 4 letters word when repetition not allowed is 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. Multiply it, it is 5040. 5040. This is the question number 3. Now in question number 4, you read it, you have to make a 5-digit telephone number, and you can use any of the digit from 0 to 9. It is given, and each number should start with 67. So it means first and second place is fixed, and the repetition of the digits is not allowed. So at the first place, the number of ways is fill is only 1. Number of ways to fill first place is 1, because you can use only here 6. The number of ways to fill up the second place is only 1. Again, you can use only 7. केवल एक ही ऑप्शन है, 7 ही आएगा यहाँ पर. And the third place option is out of 10 digits we have used 6 and 7. Only 8 are remaining, because the repetition of the digit is not allowed. The number of ways to fill up the fourth place is equal to 7, because repetition is not allowed. And number of ways to fill up the fifth place is 6, because the repetition is not allowed. So therefore total 5-digit, you have to write like this: telephone numbers starting with 67 are 1 into 1 into 8 into 7 into 6. It will be 336. So there are 336 telephone numbers starting with 67 when the repetition of the digit is not allowed. Yes, in question number 5, when a coin is tossed 3 times, so how many possible outcomes are there? So on the first toss, number of option, you read the question, number of options on first throw, एक coin को 3 बार throw कराए, तो how many outcomes will be there? 2. Number of options, head or tail. Number of options on the second throw, it will be 2. Number of options, head or tail. Third throw, again it is equal to 2. So therefore total outcomes by fundamental principle of counting is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. You have done in your lower classes also. Now in question number 6, you have to make a signal of using 2 flags of different colors, and we have total 5 flags. So how many signals you can make with the different colors? So options for the first flag is equal to 5, because any one of the 5 you can use the first flag. Now the second flag option is 4, because the different colors you have to use means repetition is not allowed. So therefore total signals using 2 flags of different colors is equal to 5 into 4, that is 20. So in this you have to make 2 different color signal using the 2 flags out of 5. So the number of options are 5 into 4, because repetition is not allowed. So this is the completion of a first exercise, which is a very simple exercise based on the fundamental principle of counting. Okay, thank you.